All right, Lady Ada, what is this?
Okay, I'm testing out this ESP32 and ESP8266 programmer dongle. Wait, juxta upright. That I designed. It's got a USB serial converter chip and the dual NPN transistors and pull-ups needed to kind of do the boot zero and reset toggle that is used to program ESP chips without needing an external like GPIO controller or pressing any buttons. So I've got an on LED here, and then I have it wired up to, like I kind of found a random ESP8266 module. And then I use ESP tool here, and let's do like chip ID, and we'll say, okay, found an ESP8266, and it can upload the stub and stuff. And then if I do something like reading the flash, this is a good way to test the LEDs. You can see data being transmitted. And I like having LEDs to help debug to see like is the chip not responding, in which case RX wouldn't be blinking. You can see it's reading all the data off of this chip, and it's working great. And then I also did a test where I erased the chip and then reprogrammed it with the dump firmware, and that worked out great too. And this chip can do like, easily 1 megabit per second baud rate. So this will be handy for me and maybe for others. I'm going to get this into the shop real soon. I just have to fix, this was not quite centered. Had some math mistakes. So I'm going to just like bump that over and fix the resistor on this LED to make it a little bit brighter.